Beep, Beep by George Lawrence, illustrated by Dave Glugg. Dan and his mom went shopping on Main Street. Dan was jogging along. Dan stopped jogging to look in a shop window. Then he and his mom went in to get a good look. Dan spotted something new in this shop. Dan and his mom had gone in this shop last week and had not seen it. It was big and golden, and it shined and gleamed. It beeped and beeped on and off and on. Pleased to meet you. Beep, beep, beep. Pleased to meet you. Beep, 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 said the big golden robot. That speaking and beeping made Dan smile. That speaking and beeping made his mom smile. Then the robot stopped speaking and beeping, and it began spinning. It spun, and then it stopped. It was as still as a stick. Dan and his mom were quite surprised. The robot began clapping and humming a song Dan had sung. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands, sang Dan. That's fantastic, exclaimed Mom. You like that robot so much, don't you? Asked his mom. I do. Don't you? Asked Dan. Yes, agreed his mom. I was stunned when it spoke, beeped, clapped, and hummed. Mom, look at that! Exclaimed Dan. Dan and his mom saw shelf after shelf filled with little gold robots standing still. Then a robot on one shelf began spinning, and a robot on another shelf began clapping. Dan was stunned. Dan's mom asked how much little robots cost. She paid and then handed a robot to Dan. Dan was glad that he had that little robot. Dan, his mom, and his robot went home.